Well, 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 what do we have here? The magnificent, heroic master of capture, Champ, the power pincher. Yeah, y'all, I didn't get it the way I wanted to get it. Yeah, I had to go and get scalped off eBay. I went everywhere looking for them, but they was telling me to no surprise. This had already been out here in Houston months ago. And as soon as it hit the shelves, it was gone. But I got my bro right here, man. The real He-Man, son, man. The Olmec gods. The Olmec gods. Finally had to get him. I had to go on eBay, like I said, get scalped. I think he's $19.99 in the store. But on eBay, he's going for no less than $40. But I made an offer with a guy, and he sold them to me for $33, I think it was. But eBay's tax and all that other stuff came up to about $40. So you're gonna get scalped. But yeah, got my mans. Got that heat, bro. Look at that. Look at the artwork. Look at that brother. That bronze bomber. And they come with two heads. You got the little pincher comes with that. Look at that back right there. A master of hand-to-hand combat. Champ is invaluable ally in the fight against evil. Check him out. He's the truth. So yeah, guys. Finally got my mitts on him. Not the way I wanted to, but I got him. Now this guy right here, he's a later lineup with on the He-Man cartoon and with the He-Man figures and stuff. Because when I was young, he wasn't around then, back in the mid and early 80s. So I think He-Man came out 82 or 84 or something like that. And he wasn't around then. By the time he was probably around in 88 or something, 89 or somewhere around there, I was already graduating from moving all through different revolving doors. Went from being a kid playing with He-Man, Thundercats, Silverhawks, all that. My GTs, BMXs, freestyling, flatlanding, breakdancing. The 80s had everything. You have to put your hands in a little bit of everything. And, went from all that, pop locking, freestyling, to go into streets and start getting cars at a young age. Early teens, first teen, 13, getting into cars and things like that. So for us in the inner cities, it was a revolving door. We kept going through one door, and we were just going fast. In the 80s, just partying, kicking it, just everything. So yeah, I never got a chance to get my hands on this. Never even heard about it, knew about it, until later on in life. And I was like, oh, wow, how did I miss that? And I started looking on eBay, and they was going from anywhere from $50 to $200 and everything. And I'm like, dang. So then, shout out to Mattel, for bringing it back. This is a retro rewind that they brought back and kind of updated the characters and stuff. Their fixtures, their movements, their joints. You can swap them out. So yeah, I got to get me another one of him because I got to swap him out. I got to keep the original. I got to swap one out with the He-Man, the whole little get-up outfit on, man. Because that's the real He-Man. And he got the power. He protect He-Man and He-Man's dad, King Randor. So y'all know, you got to have the brother. He going to be there, hand-to-hand combat. And he got the power. Why he got the power? He's the master of the universe. If we're literally speaking. So all Skeletor got to do is throw some sunlight on He-Man and take his sunblock. You take his sunscreen, He-Man's, unless he got a little bit of, some soul up in his bloodline, He-Man's a done dada. So yeah, this brother right here, he got the power, but I'm just joking around with y'all. But yeah, this is the real master of the universe. This is him right here, Clamp Champ. And then we're gonna open him up, see what he look like. Holla. And here he is, y'all. He's got his pincher in his hand, and he comes with this little gadget right here, another little pincher type gadget thing. And then he comes with the changeable head. You can change his head. And he comes with the interchangeable hand. With the thumbs up, giving y'all the thumbs up. But yeah, and he comes with this Battle Armor He-Man. And it goes into the story of the war and how. Whoa, Clamp Champ, you all right, bro? Bro, done fell over, man. Look here, you as buff as you is, man. You couldn't hold that up. Well, here's the booklet right here, y'all. Got old Clamp Champ in there. Battle Armor Skeletor. And here's his buddy right here, his bro, He-Man, with the battle armor. So that's what we be protecting. He-Man's dad and He-Man. Well, hold on, we gotta do some swapping, He-Man. You keep the axe in your hand. You got to give him the sword, though, He-Man, because he got the power, He-Man. You ain't got the power yet. Because you can't be the master of the universe. You can't master the sun yet, man. You got to get a brother the sword. Now, he got the power. There he is. Doesn't that look a little better? Now, he got the power. I have the power. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember the kids used to go out there with them big old swords? They have the real, swords and the shields you can buy from the store. I remember kids going out there playing with them, fighting with them and everything. But yeah, here he is, y'all. Finally got him. Y'all know I'm just joking around. But He-Man can take part of the clamp. Switch out. Y'all partners, man. He-Man, you got your he-bro over there. He-bro, soul brother. And on that note, we're going to say peace. Let me not forget, this is who he's fighting on that cover right there. He's fighting old Ninja right here. The little black and red ninja. This is his rival. This is who be trying to sneak in and get in the Castle Grayskull. And a ninja is an assassin. So he's trying to kill up Clamp Champ's his bros, He-Man and He-Man's dad, King Randor. So you got this guy right here. So yep, there we have him. Let's see. This is how his clamp thing works right here. Y'all see that? So that's how that works. And I don't know if he can you hold it? Okay, he's standing there now, y'all. Before I was like, man, you might need to lift some more weights, bruh. You're falling over with it in your hand and everything. But yeah, that's what he uses in this right here when he snatches up Ninja. And got the arrow. Look, he done caught the arrow. You know that's a soul, brother. Caught the arrow, broke it, snatched him in thin air. Boy, get over here. Put one of them scorpion moves. Get over here. And just mangled him. So yeah, y'all. Snatch him up. Go and support the brother. Go and support Champ, man. On that note, we out this time for real. Peace.